Hi everyone, this is Laura with We Met Wirework and More, and today we are going to make this super cute, super easy letter floral project. So just stick around, hang tight, and I will walk you through the process and all the materials that we need. I've gone ahead and I have prepped most of the flowers for our project. And by that, I mean that I have gone in and I have pulled them apart and I've cut off the little nibbin that holds them to a larger wire stem. And by doing so, that allows the flowers to sit relatively flat. So the base of this one, we're doing a letter R. This here's a letter D, and it's just at the craft store. It's just a very thin MDF letter. You can use wood ones. You can use, you know, whatever that they have that appeals to you. I haven't painted the base of these ones. I haven't felt that it's necessary, but it's certainly something that you could do as well. And just an acrylic paint would be suitable for it. Okay, so this sort of gives you the idea of what our letter R is going to look like. Now there's additional flowers that we're going to add to it, you know, little bits and pieces of the bouquets that I took apart. So in addition to those, you're just going to need your glue gun, and then I had a scrap piece of lace or trim left from when I did the last project, did the G for my granddaughter, and so I'm going to use the same, and it kind of ties in with the theme, being floral. So very pretty. So that's the first thing we're going to do actually, is we're going to attach this. So setting aside our flowers, we're going to flip this over. Nope, sorry, we're not going to flip this over. We're going to place this where we feel it looks best. And we're just going to take our glue gun and we're going to run that underneath. And then just scooch it over a little bit. Now I've left the tails quite long intentionally, and that's going to just make sure that there's a really good adhesion. Now once we start gluing the flowers on this, that also is going to help hold that in place. Alright, so without any further ado, we're just going to glue. This is such a beautiful project. You could do an E for Easter, or you could do your mom's initial. Great project for Mother's Day or for birthdays. Like I said, I made the G for my granddaughter when my daughter was expecting. And we knew she was going to be a little girl, and we knew what her name was going to be. but I've also made them as gifts for young ladies in our family. So it's just one of those gifts that is super easy to make and really, really pretty. And there you go. There's our very pretty, super easy flowered letter project. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell to receive notifications when we have new projects. And check out the links below for my other social media links. Once again, thanks so much for tuning in. This is Laura with We Met Wirework and More. Take care.